Hey everyone, welcome back to South Delhi Flows. So today we are back with another video, and this time we are showcasing a super luxury bungalow in Civil Lines. Well, Civil Lines is one of the poshest area of Delhi, and this time we are showing a 842 square yards independent bungalow, which is very well made, very well done up. It has 7 bedrooms, it has a basement, ground floor, first and second floor, about 8600 square feet built up area with a private driveway, a private lawn. So let's start the video tour. This property is located in one of the most peaceful lanes of Civil Lines, has a beautiful lawn area, a huge driveway that can easily accommodate 5 to 7 cars. It's for a single family use and it has been made like a mini farmhouse only. This is the spacious living room area, very beautiful interiors, very tastefully done. This is the lobby area on the ground floor. The best part is the central atrium, which provides natural light throughout the day. And this is the main entrance if you're coming from the driveway. A private dining room, this is the first bedroom located on the ground floor, very well done up, beautiful interiors. A good size walk-in closet right before the bathroom. A fully loaded and functional kitchen with a lot of appliances. And this is the second bedroom on the ground floor. Now let's see the first floor level. This property has been designed by a very good architect and has natural light throughout the house. And this is the third bedroom. Every bedroom is very uniquely styled and has different design elements. And there's a walk-in closet with almost all the bedrooms. This is the fourth bedroom. On the first floor level, there is also a TV room, a family lounge, or an entertainment zone. A very spacious balcony overlooking greenery everywhere. This is the fifth bedroom on the first floor level. This is the sixth bedroom on the second floor level. And moving forward to the seventh bedroom, which is currently being used as a private gym. And this is the terrace with a beautiful flooring. A beautiful 2300 square feet basement area which has a beautiful sitting area. A multi-utility room with a lot of closets. And a private home office right in the basement. Very beautiful planning. The basement also has this private staircase coming from the lawn area.